Dear students, welcome to this course on financial management. This course, which you are supposed to complete in 15 weeks, has been developed in a very systematic and logical manner. Dear students, the course on financial management aims at making students understand various issues involved in financial management of a firm and equip them with advanced analytical tools and techniques that are used for making sound financial decisions and policies. Finance, being the core of any organization, needs special attention, and hence this course teaches students all relevant aspects of finance in an organization. The changes in global financial environment and complex nature of business decisions add to the rising importance of finance in an organization. The course begins with the nature, scope, objectives and evolution of finance as a discipline, along with the time value of money concept, which is very important in finance. It then focuses on different financial decisions that a finance manager has to undertake while managing the financial affairs of a company. These decisions involve capital budgeting decision or investment decision, capital structure decision, dividend decision and working capital management decision. All these decisions have been dealt with in detail and students are provided with relevant theories as well as practices of all these decisions. The students pursuing this course must understand that finance function is not a standalone function. Rather, finance manager has to work in close association with all other functions in an organization, such as production, marketing, HR, etc. So let's have a quick look on the week-wise pattern of the study. In the first week, we'll be giving an introduction to financial management. In this, you will study the nature and scope of financial management, various objectives of financial management like profit maximization and shareholders' wealth maximization. You will also study about various financial decisions and finance functions. In the second week, the time value of money concept will be taught and the basics of capital budgeting would be introduced. There will be a discussion on compounding technique, discounting technique and the overview of capital budgeting decision, including its nature, process as well as estimation of cash flows for evaluation of capital projects. In the third week, the focus will be on capital budgeting techniques for evaluation of projects. These techniques include traditional as well as discounted cash flow techniques such as accounting rate of return or average rate of return, payback period, discounted payback period, NPV, profitability index and IRR, that is internal rate of return. After this third week, in the fourth week, we will study about the situations where NPV and IRR can give contradictory results. We will also study about capital rationing in this week and various techniques for incorporating risk and uncertainty in capital budgeting decision. These techniques include risk adjusted discount rate, certainty equivalent method, simulation method, discounted cash flow break-even point, sensitivity analysis and scenario analysis. an overview of cost of capital and calculation of cost of debt and cost of preference capital will form the basis for discussion in week 5. In the 6th week, we will discuss about cost of equity capital, its estimation using dividend discount model and capital asset pricing model, as well as calculation of combined cost of capital. In the 6th week itself, we will also learn about EBIT EPS analysis. In the next week, that is the 7th week of the course, will make you understand leverage analysis. Here, a detailed discussion on operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage will be done. After 7 weeks, we will test you. So, week 8 will be a revision and assessment week for you. In this week, you are supposed to revise what all you have learned in this course so far in 7 weeks and submit the assignments in time. Please note that the marks obtained by you in these assignments will count towards your grades in this course. After the assessment week, it's time to go back to the studies. So, in the 9th week, we will discuss about the capital structure decision or the financing decision along with various capital structure theories like net income approach, net operating income approach and hypothesis without taxes. In the 10th week, hypothesis with corporate taxes will be discussed. We will also explain you the Merton-Miller hypothesis with corporate and personal taxes in the 10th week. You will also learn about various factors affecting capital structure decision in practice in the 10th week itself. In the 11th week, we will deal with dividend decision in a firm. Here, we will discuss various dividend theories like Walter's model, Gordon's model and hypothesis. In the 12th week of the course, we will discuss about dividend decision in practice, that is, various determinants of dividends or factors affecting dividend decision by a firm. You will also learn about the Lindner's model on corporate dividend behavior. This week itself, we will introduce a brief overview of working capital management. The topics for the 13th week are working capital financing, factoring services and bank finance. A number of committee reports will be discussed here which pertain to working capital financing by banks. In the 14th week, the last week of learning from your side, we will explain various components of working capital management like receivables management, cash management and inventory management. The 15th week will be another revision and assessment week for you. In this week, you are supposed to revise all that you have learned in this course. Dear students, I am confident that this course will equip you with advanced analytical tools and techniques as well as skills for making sound financial decisions in an organization. After the completion of this course, there will be a proctored examination about which you will be notified at appropriate time. Dear students, I am sure you will find this course very interesting and knowledgeable. Please go through the entire e-content which includes both self-learning videos and e-texts very thoroughly and perform all various activities and assignments given in this course sincerely. I am quite confident that going through this course will be a great self-learning experience for you. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.